Here at GoSun, we believe the sun is capable of powering our lives, so we create solar-powered devices to fuel the world. Today, we're excited to release the GoSun Go, a solar stove that roasts a meal in minutes, can be taken anywhere, works any day, yet remains cool to touch no matter how hot. Just like it's named, the GoSun Go comes in a bomb-proof package, ready for outdoor adventure or relaxing at home with friends. If you're craving a hot drink or need to sterilize water, flip the adjustable stand and use it vertically to boil. 14 ounces are ready in as little as 30 minutes. The secret to our breakthrough technology is the solar vacuum tube, which acts as a perfect insulator, trapping your food's moisture and flavor. Cooking made us human, and it continues to bring us together. It's an international language and an art.
As a kid, I was encouraged to explore and pretty much do whatever I wanted, and I was really attracted to cooking because of the creative process involved. It's like my creative outlet even to this day. And I love gathering friends and family together and serving up a hot plate of food. I'm Patrick Sherwin, and I'm a solar energy guy. I've been working with renewable energy for a long time, and I came up with GoSun 5 years ago, and we were chasing a big dream, trying to fit fuel-free cooking into the bellies of people around the world. It's clean, easy, and healthy. And for some people, this may be the only alternative where they're not burning something for dinner tonight.
Most people think that solar is too expensive or that it doesn't work. So GoSun has made an affordable solution that's 4 times more efficient than solar panels and works its magic whenever needed. Packed with power and free from batteries, the GoSun Go is something you can take anywhere to cook up a hot meal or drink with no effort. No gas, no fire, no safety hazard, and no mess to clean up.
The GoSun Go is like a ticket to an adventure with no strings attached. There's no fuel to burn, there's no mess to clean up. It's in this tiny little case that you can take anywhere. You can cook just about anything through the clouds, through the freezing cold, all just with the power of the sunlight. And what more could you want?
When it comes to outdoor cooking, we're just getting better at burning and smoking meat. That's the same thing we've been doing for 350,000 years. GoSun invites you to join the 21st century solar revolution. We want you to experience the magic of the sun and share its goodness.
Introducing Aura Saifu, the first of its kind, all-in-one solution for your asset storage, transaction, and recovery. No more hassles from the outdated wallets. The Aura Saifu allows you safely store all your cards, cryptocurrencies, even the membership card from your local store in one place. Everything is organized and accessible at your fingertips. You can use the Aura Saifu to pay through NFC POS terminals, store all your cryptos, unlock your door, even use it to exchange name cards, all with this simple but fantastic hardware. Billions of dollars worth of asset get hacked or stolen every year. You should worry about yours as well. Aura Saifu is the first hardware on Earth using both TEE and SE technology to guarantee 100% security over your asset storage and transaction. For cryptocurrency users, you can use Aura Saifu as a cold wallet. And unlike the traditional cold wallet using USB port for data transfer, Aura Saifu uses NFC and dynamic QR code technology that is entirely off the grid. You can have full control of your crypto asset and make peer-to-peer transaction anywhere you want. Traditional credit cards and crypto software wallets are still hackable when they got lost or stolen. Not with Aura Saifu. Aura Saifu Smart Wallet will self-erase all your key information after 5 passwords fail attempts. Your asset will never be passed to the wrong hands. What about data recovery? Introducing BPAL, the NFC-enabled backup chip for Aura Saifu. This one-tap recovery solution provides an effortless way to recover your data. For crypto users, the BPAL can also replace the recovery words more securely and reliably. We believe a wallet should be not only functional but also be artistic. The Aura Saifu has a 4-inch Retina Sapphire display with a screen-to-body ratio of 83.8%. And it has gone through 45 steps of polish and multi-layer coating. The body is designed to fit for your palm. We are a team formed by scientists and top developers specialized in blockchain and digital security. We are confident about Aura Saifu, and we are ready on every perspective from software to hardware. We just need your help to bring this project to the public. So join us today to create the future of digital asset security.
This is Form Card, a handy pocket-sized card of meltable bioplastic that you can use to make, fix and modify the world around you. You can mould it quickly and simply to make little solutions to everyday problems. When it's cool, it's really strong like nylon, so you can make solid, durable solutions with it. And then you can reheat it again and again to adapt, change and reuse it. Because it's a handy card size, you can keep one in your pocket, wallet, kitchen drawer or toolbox so that it's there whenever and wherever it's needed. And because you know it melts in a cup of hot water, that might be in a cafe to fix a broken umbrella, or around a campfire to fix a broken tent pole. It's strong enough for quick solutions to emergency situations, like when you've forgotten a tool for a job or a handle breaks on something. Plastic has got a bit of a bad name, It's associated with a cheap, disposable world in which things break easily and then end up in the bin. Form card is the opposite of that world. When it's very hot, it sticks to other plastics, so you can actually use it to instantly fix things, say a plastic shovel when you're on holiday. There are loads of amazing applications, and we'll be posting more examples online as the project develops. Hi, I'm Peter Marigold, the designer and developer of Form Card. Low temperature thermoplastics have been around for a very long time, and I've been working with them for the last couple of years. I've been running public workshops to explore their potential for use in our everyday lives, and I've developed Form Card based on these experiences. Normally, these thermoplastics are supplied in granulated form, which makes them awkward to use. The granules have to be squashed together, which is messy, wasteful, and sometimes even painful. This has restricted their use to people who are familiar with making things. But I believe that this material has a place in everyone's kitchen drawer, toolbox, and backpack, like blue tack or sellotape. So I developed it into a flat card form that would always be around and always be ready to use. The size and thickness of the card is exactly the right amount of material for the quick types of fixes that are needed. It fits in your wallet and it fits in a cup, so you can take it and use it anywhere you can find hot water. It's quick, clean, simple, instant, and fun. We've made Form Card affordable as an everyday product and are now producing them in loads of amazing colours for every possible application. I want Form Card to reach everyone who thinks about fixing things instantly when they break. Just take one out of your pocket, drop it into hot water, and fix things. It's simple. Thanks for watching, and please support our project. Form Card. Melt, mould, make, mend.